in Crystal reports, and then
Crystal
slowly I've
report,
heard
yes.
about So I'm a great fan of writing reports and all those stuff. I'm pretty crazy about the database and presenting the data. So and then I came to know that there is a business intelligence side of Microsoft, and
Okay.
I have worked a little bit in SSIS and in
That's very
SSR.
good. That's very,
So
that's
I
very
would
good.
like to expand my knowledge in that one. So that
That's very
I'm going to look for an opportunity in the future which has a business intelligence towards it. So I don't want to do the web development stuff anymore. So
Means as per your expectation, what will be the future of BI? As per your expectation.
my expectations, yeah, BI, you can't live without BI. That's what I can see it
Definitely, definitely. You are right.
because
Absolutely.
in any business, what I have been observing is in any business that you be in, you want to
Yes.
forecast things, what is going to happen, the trends and everything. So that those things are
Yes.
possible
Yes. Yes.
in
Yes.
business
Yes.
intelligence. So that's what I see. So
Every business requires some business intelligence. Every business
yeah,
requires.
any business, yeah,
Business, yes. Business intelligence becomes the core of BI, becomes the core of their success.
yeah, exactly,
We can say, without
yeah,
prediction, without doing R&D, without doing analysis, you
yeah,
can't do anything in any business.
yeah, yeah. You can't improvise your business. In other words,
Yes,
right? Yeah.
yes.
So,
So data is the core of any business, every business.
okay,
Without data analysis, you can't do anything. Even any business can't do anything.
okay,
So maintaining the data, designing the database, and developing the reports and getting something useful from the database
mm-hmm.
is, these things evolves around the BI.
Okay,
Okay, so we can say that BI consists of the data analysis. We can say that BI consists of the data intelligence.
mm-hmm.
Okay, so BI have various aspects. BI have data, BI have data maintenance, BI have data intelligence. BI have to go into data and get some useful insights from the database, from the data.
Okay, mm-hmm.
That is the BI.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
So in terms of all these aspects, we can define the BI as the database. Okay.
mm-hmm.
Database can be designed or maintained in SQL Server
Yep,
and SSAS, which is also called as OLAP.
okay,
Okay, when we have a huge data, when we have large data and we have to do analysis of that large data, then we generally use SSAS data warehouse.
okay,
A data warehouse is basically a database of databases.
mm-hmm. Okay,
Okay, the first thing, we must have the data, and
okay,
second, another thing, we have to design the ETL,
mm-hmm.
that is
Okay,
the extraction, transformation and loading.
okay,
Okay, in MSBI we perform ETL using SSIS.
okay, yeah,
Okay, now we have the data, we have the ETL. From the ETL we can design and maintain our database in SQL Server or SSAS. Okay,
okay,
and the last thing of BI is that we have to get regularly, we have to get the useful information from this database. So for
exactly,
getting these useful information, getting the
mm-hmm.
right information from the database, we have the SSRS. That is the
Okay,
reporting.
okay,
Okay.
yeah,
So these things, SSIS, SSAS and SSRS, made
mm-hmm.
up your MSBI.
Okay, yeah,
These three things, SIS, AS and SSRS, forms your MSBI. That is Microsoft Business Intelligence.
yes, okay,
Okay.
yeah,
This is the general concept of BI. Okay.
okay, yeah,
in your today's demo,
Yeah.
just wait. Let's start with you from the scratch. All programs,
Yeah.
Microsoft SQL Server Business Intelligence Development Studio.
Yeah. Uh, so you're going to tell me, because I don't have any idea about SSAS, but I have some ground knowledge about SSRS and SSIS. Only thing is that I don't have, I haven't worked in SSIS completely. So in
You
this
might
demo,
in SSRS you might have worked on metrics.
yeah, I have worked on tables and
Yes.
a little bit of matrix also in SSRS. So.
In SSRS you might have worked on tables. In the tables you can see the data according to two dimensions. One is a row and another one is a column.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. But if you have to do analysis on multiple dimensions, then at that
Okay.
time you will be using SSAS OLAP. That is,
Okay.
uh, this SSAS OLAP is also called as a cube for
Okay.
multi-dimensional analysis. I will also give you a brief about this concept. Definitely I will give you.
Okay.
If you are interested, if you are also interested in SSAS, then definitely I will be giving you a brief concept
Yeah,
about
sure.
data
Yeah.
warehouse. Okay.
Yeah, sure. The reason
So
why I was telling is I thought of, okay, we can spend more time in SSAS, probably because I have a ground knowledge about SSRS and SSIS, but I would like to know, okay, how is this demo is going to be in SSAS, so that gives me a little bit of confidence
yes,
in my future courses. So that's the whole thing that I'm expecting in a demo. So that's what.
yeah. If you want to learn
So are
about
you?
SSAS and if you have interest in data analysis, then
Mm-hmm.
definitely SSAS will be a big fun for you if you will be working in this domain,
Okay.
data warehouse.
Okay.
You will be enjoying working with SSAS.
In SSAS. Okay. Okay.
Yes. There is a lot of demand of SSAS developer in the market. A lot of demand is there.
Oh, really? Okay. But I don't have any experience in SSAS or in SSIS as of such. I haven't, because in the current role that I'm working here, I'm just looking to land up in my future job, right? In my future career. I'm thinking of getting into this business intelligence. So that is the whole reason why I'm sitting here.
See, now
Yeah.
people's even we can say that people's or big developers are expecting that BI going to be a big thing for the developers.
Okay.
The developers or database handlers or administrator or database developer
Mm-hmm.
will getting a lot of scope in BI.
Okay.
Okay. Even developers or even our IT specialists are predicting that in the software industry, the only people will be there those who have the knowledge in BI.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So let's start from the scratch. New
Yeah.
project. The first two parts of business intelligence projects are analysis service project and import analysis service to an 8 database. Okay.
Okay.
These two parts are of SSAS. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In the middle we have two. One is the integration service connection project. Another is the integration service project. These two parts are for SSIS,
Okay.
integration service. And last three parts are for your reporting.
Okay.
You might be familiar with these three reporting models.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's start with SSIS.
Sure. Okay.
See,
Yep.
SSIS is your SQL Server Integration Service.
Okay.
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 The main operation and main responsibility of SIS in BI is to perform ETL.
Okay.
E is for extraction,
Okay.
T is for transformation,
Okay.
L is for loading. Okay.
Okay.
As we were discussing that data is the core of every business, and data analysis is very useful thing for the success of any enterprise. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose we have data, but we don't have done any management for handling this data. So we can say that that data is not useful for us for any business. Okay. So
Okay.
so for managing this data in a managed way, in a managed server, we use SIS.
Okay.
Okay. As we know that in SQL Server, we manage the data in tabular form.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose an enterprise is getting the data from its vendor or from the public on a regular interval.
Okay.
Okay. And the data is coming into some text file, TXT file.
Okay.
Okay. So for managing that data, the company have purchased a SQL server
Okay.
for the maintenance and for loading the data into that SQL server from these files. Okay.
Okay.
And the company is that enterprise is getting these data or these data files on a regular interval, and then another task for that enterprise is to manage the data, is to regularly load the data into the database, is to regularly populate the data into a database. Okay.
Yeah.
So this part is handled by SSIS.
Okay.
Okay. SIS is basically used to perform the ETL part.
Okay.
Okay. E is for extraction. Extraction means to extract the data from various sources.
Okay.
We can extract the data from the data files. We can extract the data from the binary files. We can extract the data from text files. We can extract the data from Excel files. Okay. The source can be anything. Source can be also, it can also be your SQL server.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have extracted the data. Another task in SIS is to perform the transformations.
Okay.
Okay. If the schema, if the structure of your data source is not as per your data destination, then at that time you will be using transformations.
Okay.
Transformation defines to manipulate your data.
Okay.
If you have done some changes in your data while transferring the data into a data destination, then at that time you will be using transformations.
Okay.
Say for example, a company is getting the data from their data vendors as first name, last name, gross salary, and deductions. Okay, but they have maintained their tables as full name and net salary. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So your full name will be first name, plus last name.
Okay.
And your net salary will be gross salary minus deductions. Gross sal minus deductions.
Okay.
Okay. So these manipulations is a part of your transformations. Okay.
Okay.
This is a very general example which I have presented you, but in real time scenario you might be facing various type of transformation which we will be discussing in the later on classes.
Okay.
Okay. And the last part is to populate the data into your database. Is to load the data into a database.
Loading. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even we can also load the data into the text file. We can transfer the data into Excel. We can transfer the data into a SQL Server or Oracle.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a brief about your SIS.
Okay.
Now let's talk about something in the real world scenario for the data analysis.
Okay.
Suppose if a company owner wants to expand his business in terms of his sale, and
Okay.
the company owner wants to cut down their expenses for their business. Okay. So the company owner calls their manager and asks about their total sale of the year.
Okay.
Okay. And their manager give them a figure like 100 CR. Okay.
Okay.
The company owner have this figure 100 CR, and he have to do analysis how to cut down their expenses and how to expand their business. So this figure, this general figure doesn't have any meaning for him. It is not useful for him. So
Okay.
he asks his manager that please give me some more detail about his sale. Please divide this sale into the date part, like for every, I want to have the sale for every month. Now his manager give him the sale for every month for Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, for every month. Okay. Now he can do analysis the sale for every month. Like in the month of January, he have the sale of 10 CR. In the month of February, he has the sale of 5 CR. In the month of March, he has the sale of 20. In the month of April, he might have the sale of 25 over there.
Okay.
He might have the sale as. This is a rough figure.
Okay.
Okay. Now he is doing analysis. He can see that in the month of Feb, he have minimum sale.
Okay.
Even he can ask the question to his manager, the reason for this short sale.
Okay.
Okay. So, but still now he have the data for the time series, but he wants to expand his analysis. Like that person have the business in many countries. Now he wants to have the data according to their various countries and according to a time period.
Okay.
Are you getting bored?
No. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, no problem.
So he expand his analysis. Now he have the data for India.
Okay.
He might have the data for Australia.
Okay. Yes.
And he might have the data for USA. Okay. And according to these subject areas, he can do their analysis.
Okay.
Okay. There might be some different figures over there. Okay. Now he can see whichever area or whichever particular month that person have a minimum figure of sale, minimum amount of sale.
Okay.
Okay. So he is analyzing the data by two subject areas. One is your time period and another is your
Country.
countries. That is the geographical regions. Okay. Now suppose that business is dealing in multiple products. Okay. And now
Okay.
that person wants to analyze the data according to his various products. Like for product A, he wants to do analysis.
Okay.
Like for product B, he wants to see his sales. And for product C, he wants to analyze his sales. Okay.
Yeah.
Now that person have three subject areas. One is the time period, another is the product, and third one is the geographical region.
Okay.
So suppose for product C, that person have minimum number of sales. Then he can ask his manager to stop the production of product C as there is no demand for this product, and so to concentrate on another products, he can stop the production of these products and can cut down the expenditure of his company. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So for the first time, we will be doing analysis on one subject area, that is the time period.
Okay.
And in the second type of analysis, we will be doing the analysis by time and your geographical region. Okay. These two type of analysis we can do very easily in your SQL Server
Yes. Yeah.
by your rows and columns forms.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But if we are going for deeper analysis, like we are doing analysis by your time period, by your geographical region, and by your product.
Okay.
So there are three subject areas. So for doing such type of analysis, it becomes a tedious task for your SQL Server.
Okay.
So for these dimensional analysis, you have to go for SSAS.
Okay.
Okay. See, these subject areas, time period, your geographical region, your products are called dimensions.
Sorry, what is that? Call dimension.
Dimensions.
Oh, dimensions. Okay.
These subject areas are called as dimensions. Okay. And
Okay.
these figures are called measures.
Okay.
Okay. So for
Okay.
doing such analysis, for doing such multi-dimensional analysis, we usually go for OLAP data warehouse, or we can say that we go for SSAS.
Okay.
Okay. In this scenario, we have taken only 3 dimensions, but in the real time, you generally have around 20 to 25 dimensions.
Okay.
Minimum 20 to
Minimum.
25 dimensions. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the basic use of your SSAS.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. So this is a brief of SSIS and SSAS. And as you are familiar with SSRS, SSRS
Okay.
is basically a reporting service where you will be presenting your multidimensional data or your tabular data
Mm-hmm.
to your customers.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So
Sure.
any doubt or any confusing in these summaries, or
So far it is clear. Yeah.
okay.
I'm able to understand.
Any questions for me?
No, I don't have anything as such, because it has been crystal clear what you have said, and I'm able to understand it. Yeah.
Okay.
No problem. Yes.
So presenting the data to your customer is the key part, is a very important part. So sometimes you have to present the data in some Excel report, in some PDF report, and sometimes you have to present the data in the forms of graphs, in the forms of metrics. Okay, so
Okay.
for this type of presentation, you will be going for your SSRS part.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
how much experience you are having?
Uh, I mean, in SSRS,
In total.
in total, I have close to 3.5 to 4 years. Yeah.
Okay, around 4 years.
Yeah, around 4 years. Yeah.
Okay, so you might be having good knowledge of SQL Server. You might be having a good hand in SQL Server.
Yeah, I can say that.
Okay.
Yeah. Not really good, I would say. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. You might be familiar with joins concept, queries.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Okay. So this is the brief about SIS, SSAS, and SRS.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
And this is the UI. This is the UI
Sorry.
for your SIS. This is the
Oh,
UI
okay.
user interface for
Oh,
SIS.
user interface. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
The executable part in your SIS is called as package.
Okay.
Okay. In the package, you will be developing your whole ETL.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. For developing the ETL, Microsoft have provided us various tools. By using these tools, we can develop our
Okay.
ETL.
Okay. Yeah.
So for example, we are taking one tool that is a data flow task.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
In this, we can see that we have various sources.
Mm-hmm.
That is the extraction part. Various transformations over there, and the destination, that is the loading part.
Okay. Source. Transform. Okay.
In the above we have the sources, in the middle we
Okay.
have transformations, in the bottom we have destinations.
Destinations. Okay. So which version
Okay.
of SQL Server is this? 2008, right?
2008, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is
Okay.
a brief about your BI, MSBI, and the basic tools of your MSBI. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
and
Sure. Sir. Yeah.
okay,
So
so
yeah. Okay. So that's the demo, right?
yeah. Do you want
Okay.
to have anything else from me?
Yeah. I don't have any problem in. So do you guys offer SSAS alone, or only you guys offer it as well?
Sorry?
I mean, you guys, do you teach SSAS alone? SSAS.
Yes,
SQL
I
Server
can teach.
Analysis Service.
Yes, we can.
Just SSAS alone, because I think I will be able to I mean I'm able to understand SSRS and SSIS, but I don't have much knowledge in SSAS. So is it possible to only touch SSAS in the future course? Like, can I enroll for that course alone? Is it possible?
I think it will be possible. To whom you were contacting?
I'm talking to Aparna.
Aparna. Then this thing you can
Yeah.
ask to Aparna.
Oh,
Definitely
so
he will.
she will be the
She will.
person.
She will guide
Oh,
you. Definitely she will guide you.
okay, okay. But other than that, I'm fine with the things that you have told. I was able to understand it clearly. So,
Okay.
so I think I would be able to grasp the knowledge in SSAS, because I'm zero in SSAS alone.
No
So,
issue.
so definitely I need some guidance in SSAS. So frankly speaking, but as far as SSIS and SSRS, for SSRS, I've started reading a book, and it's been quite easy. Yeah, I've been reading the blogs and started learning SSRS, because me being a developer, SSRS seems to be pretty easy, just playing around the tools, and since I have this SQL knowledge, SSRS is not a big problem. So probably for SSAS, I need expert people like you to guide me on how to start and where to start. So, so other than that, I'm fine with the training and everything.
Okay. If you can talk to Aparna for that.
Yeah, sure, Jagan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
So thank you so much for your time and
so apart from the BI,
yeah.
let me brief let me brief you about me.
Yeah, sure.
Uh,
Yeah.
I'm not just a trainer. Actually, I'm a consultant also.
Wow.
Okay, I'm a
Okay.
developer. I'm also a developer,
Oh,
and
okay.
I have worked on various projects on SSAS, IS, and SRS for various companies.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
and as far as teaching experience is concerned, I have taught many students, various
Okay.
students, basically of USA and Australia.
Oh,
And
okay.
around
So,
3 to 4 students I have taught of. Those students belongs to England, London.
oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Sure.
this is just a brief about me.
Okay. Yeah, sure, Jagan. So
Okay.
yeah, so if I don't have any experience in that is potential experience in SSIS and SSRS, so far I have a bookish knowledge only as far as SSRS and SSIS. All the opportunities that I have been seeing here is asking for experience like 4 years or 5 years.
In
So
SIS.
no, generally I'm saying in business intelligence itself.
Okay.
So that has been a big doubt in myself whether I would be able to get into